Hello, this is physics problem, mechanics. A person jumps from a diving board 4 meters above the water surface and is stopped 2 meters below the water surface. Find its deceleration. Uh, so this is water surface, and this is air, and this is water. This is water. This is diving board. So this is 4 meters above the surface. This 4.0 meter. This is S1 and is stopped. This is a 2.0 meter S2. So we have to find S is given. S distance is given, and A we have to find. So this is region 1 and this is region 2. So here we will use equation 1. Here we will use equation 2. So in equation region 1, when we will use equation 1 and equation 2, in this one is air, and here is water. In here, we have to find, we will use v square minus u square is equal to 2as. This is the equation. So if you use this equation here, so we will v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Initial speed is 0. Final velocity, the final velocity of this one will be initial velocity of this one, and a is equal to g, which is we will say positive. We can take positive, the coordinate system. So v is equal to 2gs square root, which is equal to 2 into 9.8 meter per second multiplied by 4 square root. So v is equal to 8.85. So this will be the velocity, 8.85 meter per second. So this is final velocity in this one, and this final velocity will become u in this region. So we will use the v2 minus u2 is equal to 2as. A is unknown. This is given, and this is 0 because it's stopped. So A is equal to minus u square over 2s. So the acceleration will be equal to minus into 8.85 whole square multiplied by 2 into 2, so which is equal to minus 20.0 meter per second square. So this is deceleration. So we have divided this question into two parts, and by two equations, and then you will be able to solve this question. So it's easy to understand this question as a two-part question. In first part, we will use this equation, and initial velocity is 0. We will find final velocity, where g is a free fall, so we will use acceleration as g, and then the final velocity of this will be initial velocity of water, and final velocity of this one is 0. So final velocity is 0. This is given. You can find out the acceleration, which is negative, deceleration, which is 20 meters per second squared.